Tuboran Spring, Barangay Tabunan, Almeria, Biliran. Beautiful. Globe here in Barangay Tabunan. Nice view here in the globe. So the globe is there, the tower, Mount Panamaw there. So beautiful here. Grassland. So we see also there the baby Kapinyahan, Dalutan over there. Over there is the Hingatangan Island. In front Naval, Biliran. Yeah, exploring by myself. Solo hiking in the morning. Happy New Year. Now it's January 1, 2026. So we're not gonna going around Biliran Island. So we're gonna ride this tuk-tuk. So coming from Naval. So we're starting Barangay Tabunan. We go to Kakawayan all the way going around to Kulaba, Kaibiran, Kabangkayan, Biliran, and back to Tabal, back to Almeria, Barangay Tabunan. See you in the road. Happy New Year. Going around Biliran. The Modelo Nature Park. Sharing Kawayan. Sige, teka lang. Nakuyag din eh. Ha? Sige, ha? Sa the Modelo Nature Park. So beautiful here. It's like a river there. Going to the sea. Yeah. Later we can see the restaurant above there. Nice view. That's Mount Panamaw there. There's swimming pool there. Yeah. Swimming pool. Oh, there. Very nice. The restaurant there. First stop here. We're here at the Modelo Nature Park here in Kawayan, Biliran. So after here we just eat our snacks, pancit, and after eating here we're going to Kawayan all the way to Kulaba. So try to visit our friend there. Oh. Yeah, nice view. We're now eating our pancit. Snack time. Yeah. And we have French fries also. And carbonara. So they serve food here. So we're now having snack at Modelo. Nice. Okay, bye bye Modelo's Nature Park. Gonna back to our tricycle. We're gonna hike, gonna see some beach. We call this one Talisay Beach. So there are many people there, that's why we stop here. Gonna take a look down there. We're now on Talisay Beach. Sa Peebles Beach. The road, so this is Talisay Beach. We take a look here. So I'm gonna go up to the main road. Around Tinago waterfalls here in Kaibiran. So we're gonna see another waterfall. Visiting one of the famous tourist spots here in Biliran, Tinago Waterfalls. So for sure many people there because it's New Year now. Yeah. Okay, ano? Okay. Walking. I'm gonna register their tourism disc. I'm gonna pay for the entrance. 20 pesos for the entrance fee. Yeah, right now. Tinaga waterfall. The waterfall somewhere there. You can make a picnic here. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's go to the waterfall. Sige, I'll follow you. Dito, okay. Dito na yan, ano? Ito. Nice na, they already put a stairway. Before it's only a wooden bamboo, but now it's already cement. They already developed. Oh, there, the waterfall. Tinaga Fall. Very nice. That's the waterfall there, Tinago. Also jump there. Tinaga Falls. Back now to our tricycle on the top. We're gonna climb again the stairs. Climbing back. Now we're now living here at Tinago Forest. Now we're going to Mainit Spring. We're gonna have our lunch there at Mainit Spring. Okay, Viran. Let's go.
Mas maayo pa nga ito.
Oh, limpyo, no?
Ay, limpyo kayo.
Business.
Oo.
We're now near Mainit Spring. We're here in their terraces. Terraces. Ito na lunch na here in Mainit Spring.
Maupay. Nakatukuan ako, narap ko siya dito sa biliran.
Beautiful. Later we're gonna take a bath there. Their hot spring. Mainit Spring. So it's a river here. So you need to cross here from the main road and then cross the river to reach here. They have also cottage here. So for the cottage is 200 pesos. So 200 pesos for the cottage. And the entrance fee here is 30 pesos. Eating now. Eating our lunch. After eating, we're gonna take a bath there. The hot spring. So there's a two hot spring here in a resort here in Biliran. Somewhere others is somewhere in near Nabal. So somewhere in Karay, somewhere there. And the other one is here in Mainit, in Kaibiran. Yeah. Lunchtime. The Mainit hot spring. Kaibiran. Very nice. Relaxing. At Mainit Spring, gonna ride now the motor bicycle, TikTok, tok, not TikTok. Kaibiran proper, so we're gonna check the San Bernardino swimming pool. So yeah, another natural spring here in Kaibiran. Gonna take a look. Very nice. Beautiful San Bernardino.
Ano sa waray?
Sige na kamante.
Kare ko na kamaw.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Back now. We're going out now. Just finished visit the San Bernardino swimming pool here in Kaibiran. So now we're going now to Kanaan Farm. We're gonna visit the Kanaan Farm, famous farm here in Biliran Island. Yeah, after there, we still continue going to Kabukgayan now. After Kaibiran, we're going now to Kabukgayan, Biliran. Down to the exit, to the main road. Tricycle. Gonna ride now the tricycle, the main road. Okay. We already arrived here in Kanaan Farm. So we're gonna take a look the farm here. So many things to see here. We're gonna picking some fruit like calamansi. There's also jackfruit and berries. I don't know what's there available. Okay, gonna walk na Kanaan Farm.
Just go over.
Now here in Kanaan. Come on, Trex. Follow mommy there.
Drink?
Yeah, we're gonna take a look there. Want to drink something?
Yes.
You're hungry?
No.
Only drink?
Yes.
Okay, wait. What did you find, mommy? Ano nakita na, berry pa man sila oh.
Oo, there is one there.
Kuha daw.
Pwede.
Sige, pwede. Yeah, beautiful here. So exploring Kanaan. Oo, naka-timing may.
Asya.
Kanaan. So walking now at Kanaan farm. So we go to the top. See some plants there. So this is a nice place. Agri-tourism in Biliran. Maglakaw-lakaw. Oh, this is the jackfruit.
Makasini sa late na nimo.
So there's the mini jackfruit. So soon will be, but we're gonna buy already jackfruit there. We're lucky that there's one jackfruit. Oh, sana hulog lang oh. Na donut. Ano yung jackfruit?
Ano lang mga kuan.
Manukan?
Masakit ano na lang. Kadumdum kong tricks nga gigok ko daan ni.
Magsa ka ng saging. Gamamela. Nandito lang mga pichay. So, sa pichay there. So, greenhouse. Nindot. So, kalamansi picking now. Sige na, pag-pick na. Taman.
Plastic.
Sige lang, ibutang lang diri, kaya naman ako bulsa. O diri, oh, nahihilo na diri, oh. Kaning hilo.
Ayaw ka ng yellow kay di maupay.
Sige, ana. So, kalamansi picking. This one's already yellow, I want to get this one.
Ayaw ng yellow.
I have already 3 kalamansi. And mama is still picking. Picking some calamansi like this. Yeah, I have not many. Like that calamansi. Wow, I have plenty now. Kadag ko man ni oh. Be, butang ang bulsa. Wala.
Kita na yung grape.
So now rambutan here. Rambutan tree. And they have the tractor there. So this is their service when you go up here. Yeah, and that. Okay, let's go. We're almost reaching the top of the Kanaan hill. Mini calamansi here. Calamansi tree. And this one another plant. I don't know, it's like a pine tree. Ano yun that? Like a pine tree? No? Lindot mo pine tree.
May pine tree.
Oh? No?
Oo, mata.
Murag pine tree.
Pero maanani siya.
Oh, nice. Nice landscaping. Yeah, beautiful here. Yeah, nice.
Aw, ang kuan man day ni. Ang dakit-dakit.
Ngalan na, dakit-dakit.
Sa kuan. Sa mong
Anin dat? No?
sa
Oh,
dito sa may balkon.
oh, nindot. Baka na pa entry. Bamboo. Beautiful.
Sa una daghan kayo ginani sa kabunan.
Yeah, reach now. There. Tower Rest House in Kanaan. Tower Rest House above Kanaan Farm. Yeah, made it. The last above the resort here, no more. So it's already end of the Kanaan Farm. So this is the boundary. Here's already forest. So from here we're going back down now. Back downhill we're gonna buy now the jackfruit. It's already down there. We're lucky that somebody get jackfruit. Maybe for us. They know that we're coming here. Because jackfruit is my favorite food. Favorite snack. Bamboo. Yellow and red. Nah, let's go down na. Oh, go back na ta. No, down na ta. So we're going down now. Back to the restaurant. We're gonna drink something. Very thirsty. Walking to the top of Kanaan Farm. Bye-bye. Oh, that's their tractor. So when you go up here, you're gonna ride tractor. There's a restaurant here. We're gonna take a look what drinks they're gonna offer. Eric,
There's the only drinks like this here are
Ganas?
their food.
It's good man kinaka.
so this one is
naman
a
di ani kato ano to.
Hold on, is there
Kanaan
food here or
juice.
no?
Naagay food. Nice food.
I tried to drink this one. This is the information.
Ay.
Wait, are you gonna eat the french fries? If so, can we
So,
buy three? It's actually small line.
time to drink the water.
Mame, are you gonna eat the color fries? So you can buy three because
We're gonna pay now their jackfruit. And calamansi. Ka? Their jackfruit.
Naakay lemon dali.
Oh, sige lang.
580, 9.17. Kanina lang ini ma kaon na gud niya ni ma'am.
Saan naman? Boss ba?
Diri ano
Ama.
na gud niya.
Pamakaw na?
Oh.
Hamot na?
Yeah.
Oh, sige.
Plus nakakuha ko pila ni.
Okay lang.
Duha?
Ha?
Dami.
Diri. Aw di. Sa huri ari din ko.
Dire rin ako. Oh.
Ang taga Gandara liwat.
Oh, ano
Oh.
Kaya akong
grabe
among
na,
barkada
almost
adi
1 kilo.
lang nakuan.
Ano na ko GT din.
Yeah. Yeah, we already gone.
Siguro ko niya na
On my jackfruit.
Yun na katapusan
Good for you, thing. It's 580. And the calamansi per kilo 60 peso. So 580 plus 60. Ano na yung mabayaran. Heavy the jackfruit. I have one whole jackfruit, my favorite. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's smile. Tama yung calamansi. Where's your calamansi? Yeah, jackfruit. Very heavy. Put it in the tricycle now. We're gonna try the kalabasa french fries. Kadili na, fries ano? Kalabasa fries? It's good? Not? Huh?
Crunchy and soft inside.
Yeah. time from Canaan. Canaan juice and French fries from Canaan. Snack time. See there the boardwalk. Somewhere here in Kabuggayan. Boardwalk. Mangrove. Mangrove walking. Yeah, nice mangrove. Beautiful walking. Mangrove. Oh, nindot sound, no? Nindot sound. Going back now. Mangrove walking. Yung Kabuggayan, we're gonna see only the waterfall, the Kasabangan Falls. Will not actually there's still beautiful falls there, the Sao Falls. But we cannot anymore visit there because it's quite far away and it's already 5 o'clock. Getting dark now. So we only see the Kasabangan Falls. Let's go. Arrive now here in Kasabangan Waterfall. Over there. Take a look. So, Kasabangan Falls. Very nice. Here in Barangay Balakid, Kabuggayan, Biliran. So this is the place we also do canyoning. So the other one is Ulan-Ulan Falls in Barangay Sampao, Almeria, Biliran. And also here in Barangay Balakid. Here in Kasabangan Falls, Sao Falls. There's many waterfalls above there. Coming now. Kasabangan Falls. Okay, we're going back now. Bye bye Kasabangan Falls. See you next time for canyoning in Biliran. Going back now because it's getting dark. It's already 5:18. Okay, bye bye Kasabangan. We're going back now. We're going to Biliran Bridge. Then we're going back to Biliran, back to Naval. And all the way back to Almeria, Barangay Tabunan. It's getting dark now. Biliran Bridge. Going now to Biliran Bridge.
Nasunugan.
So we're walking now here in Biliran Bridge. So the other bridge. Already night time. Yeah. Nice view. Already sunset. No more light. Yeah, a bridge. Biliran Bridge. Yeah, Biliran Bridge. Beautiful. After Biliran Bridge, we're going now to Biliran, all the way to Naval Biliran, Almeria Biliran, and finally home in Barangay Tabunan, Almeria Biliran. So nice going around Biliran Island. Visit many tourist spots. Okay, see you. The Biliran Bridge.
Pataas. kaanay.
Ha? Okay ba?
Emphasize.
Go ka na.
Alright, five, go!
Christmas in Biliran. Here in Diversion Road, going to Naval.
No, Naval.
Naval na.
Going to
Asa?
Santo Niño, I think.
Santo Niño? Okay, we're going now to proper Naval via Diversion Road. This is the church of Almeria Biliran. That's already dark. Yeah. Here in Almeria Biliran. So this is the Catholic church. Very beautiful church. You cannot see the whole church because it's dark now. There's no light. But this church is one of the beautiful church here in Biliran Island. Almeria Church. So now we're going now to Tabunan, back to the house. So we almost finished our tour around Biliran Island. And so we arrived already, finally. Arrived in Tabunan. We are done our tour around Biliran. Asa lang tadapit?
Kasi rin ko one line lang ya kay kuan man. Bagan one line ko sa bungkag na yan.
Loob.
Makuan ni siya, Daddy? Ka-beautiful sa place. Oo pa yung view. Okay na.
Walking nice beach.
Very nice na beauty oil. Baka okay? Gahi siya. Nindot ni siya din kaliguan.
Dapat diri na lang maligo, no?
Tapos diretso sa loob, Daddy. Inani gihapon pero mas tuan to nga ito. Mas nindot. Low tide. Hala.
A nice beach here in Almeria. We're near now the Almeria proper.